Hello everyone, I am Shivaji Ganeshan. Hope you are fit and fine. Due to Corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with school, teachers and lack of education. The schools of the country has started online classes and we must take advantage of it. So from today we are going to start online class, which will not only help us to communicate with each other, but also it will help us to cover up our syllabus and maintain the flow of study. So let's begin our class with science, class 3. Chapter 1, living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. We see different kinds of things in our surrounding. We see plants, we see animals, we see big buildings, car, buses. When you are in your classroom, you see blackboard, benches, table, chair. When you are at home, you see TV, AC, mobile and so on. What are these? These all are things. Things are divided into two categories. Things are divided into two categories. One is natural and other is man-made. So things are categorized into two things. One is natural and second is man-made. So what are these natural things? Natural things are the things that we get free from the nature, like plants, animals, sun, star, moon, river, seas and so on. What are these man-made things? Man-made things are the things that are made by man or human beings. For example, car, buses, benches, chairs, furniture, all these are man-made things. Now coming on the topic living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. So what do you mean by living things? So living things are the things which have life in them. For example, plants, animals. So these are things which have life in them. On the other hand, non-living things. Non-living things are the things which do not have life in them, like car, buses, benches, chairs, furniture and so on. So now we will study in detail about living and non-living things. What are the features of living things and what is the difference between living and non-living things. So coming on to the topic. First is features of living things. First is growth. We know that all living things grow. For example, a baby grows into an adult human being, a puppy into a dog, a kitten into a cat. This shows that living beings grows. But on the other hand, non-living things do not grow. The size of a car or furniture that is fixed. Now plant is a living thing. Does plant grow? Yes. The plant grows from a seed into a baby plant, then into a tree. Next is movement. Next point is movement. Living things move from one place to another, but non-living things cannot move from one place to another. For example, we can move, human beings can move from one place to another with the help of their legs. Birds can fly in the air with the help of their wings. Then fish can swim in the water with the help of fins. So this is how birds and then human beings move from one place to another. On the other hand, non-living things cannot move from one place to another. They remain fixed. For example, now you can say, sir, car is a non-living thing, but it can move from one place to another. Yes, a car can move, but due to an external force, we help them. With the help of us, they are able to move. In movement, plants are fixed to the soil. They cannot move from one place to another, but certain parts of the plant show movement. For example, sunflower. Sunflower turns toward the direction of light. Then, for example, touch me not plant. When you touch the leaves of the touch me not plant, when you touch the leaves, droops. Third point, third features. Need for food. Living things need food. Why? Because they grow. All living things need food to stay alive. They cannot live without food. Food gives them energy to work and play. The food we get, the food we eat comes from plants. Plants. Animals and human beings cannot make their own food. They depend on plants for their food. And plants prepare food with the help of air, water and sunlight. On the other hand, non-living things do not need food because they do not show any type of growth. Fourth point, reproduction. All living beings reproduce. What is meaning of reproduction? Reproduction is the process of producing their own same kind, either by giving birth or by laying eggs. On the other hand, non-living things do not reproduce. Next feature, feeling. All living beings feel. They feel the change in the surrounding. Can you feel the hotness or warm water and the coolness of ice cube? Yes, we feel. Or take an example, when we touch a hot object, then what happens? We suddenly remove our hand. Animals also feel. When you hurt a dog or beat a dog, they also feel the pain, they also cry. On the other hand, non-living things, they do not feel because they have no life. Next, living things breathe. All living things take in oxygen from the air. Human beings, animals breathe with the help of their lungs. Few animals or insects breathe with the help of air holes present on their body or air sacs. Plants also breathe with the help of small tiny pores present on the leaf called stomata. Next feature is excretion. Excretion. What is excretion? The removal of waste material from the body. The removal of waste material from the body is called excretion. All living beings excrete. They remove the waste material from the body. Non-living things do not perform any of the body function, therefore they do not excrete. Now, seeing the last, that is difference between living and non-living things. Same point. All living things need food to live and grow. Non-living things do not need food. They grow in size. Living things grow in size, but non-living things do not show any type of growth. Living things move from one place to another. Non-living things do not move from one place to another. Living things reproduce, that is, they produce the young ones of their own kind, but non-living things do not reproduce. Living things feel changes taking in the place. Non-living things do not feel. Living things take in air or breathe in air, but non-living things do not breathe. Living things excrete the waste from the body, but non-living things do not excrete. So in this way, this chapter 1 is over.